So Bumble CEO just confirmed they are officially killing swiping. They're also getting rid of that feature of women messaging first. And on top of all this, they're replacing it with AI. She says people are feeling exhausted, they're feeling fatigued, they feel like the swipe is degraded their love lives. But there's also a business reason for this. Because Bumble has had major layoffs, declining paid users, they've been losing market share, and their stock hasn't been too hot. So they have to make some big changes. But what will this actually look like? So from what we know, Bumble is introducing an AI assistant called B. It will ask you questions like these, then it searches for profiles in the background and notifies you when it finds a potential match. But that's the important part, potential match. Like, it's still going to show you profiles that you say yes or no on. So in a way, it's swiping isn't entirely going away. But my best guess is you'll get like 5 or 10 matches per day. And because the AI still has to learn who you like, who likes you, and who's actually in demand, because it's not like it's going to match very average Joes with supermodels. But the really interesting thing here to me is that each match is supposed to come with an explanation for why the app paired you together. And if this explanation was actually really good, like if it actually showed me somebody, explained that we're really well aligned with my values, my beliefs, my lifestyle, my long-term goals, like I would 100% drop my physical standards at least a little bit for that person. I mean, it would actually make personality finally at least a little bit relevant on dating apps, and that's cool. But obviously it comes down to execution. That's really it. I mean, I can see this completely backfiring for Bumble, or I can see it going well because I actually want Bumble to succeed. They're the only mainstream app not owned by Match Group. Match Group does not have much competition. It's why they can get away with charging $170 super boost on Tinder, or this 1-week subscription cost in the league. But yeah, so they said this big update is coming in the last quarter of this year. They're calling it Bumble 2.0. So it's supposed to be a huge deal. Let me know what you think about it, and I'll see you again in a couple days.